honestly about enjoying the little things in life, and those things are Halloween things to me. So let me enjoy it. Hey guys, it's me, Sam. Welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. Today I have another Halloween haul to share with you guys. Most of these items are from Homegoods. I have a few little things from Precious Moments. Do you guys remember them growing up? Heads up, they're working. I think they're like mowing outside of our apartments, and they're also doing like parking lot repairs, so it might be kind of noisy. I was hoping that they would be done, but they're not. If you guys happen to be new here to my channel, thank you so much for just taking the time out to check out my channel. Hopefully you stick around and subscribe. Fingers are crossed. It's always a good time over here. I make Halloween videos all throughout the year. I share with you guys my Halloween happy life. You know, life is tough, and Halloween, it just makes life so much better. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. Mug of the video is this Radon one. I rarely use this one. I have a lot of these types of mugs. You guys will see because I actually got a few more. Not sure why I needed them. That's besides the point. If you guys would like to support my channel, it would mean so much if you checked out my Patreon. I've been connecting with you guys a lot more than I can, or that I have been able to do, like on Instagram and here on YouTube, so it has meant so much. Make sure you guys turn on notifications, because whenever I do a Friday upload, I do a live chat along with that video, and that's where we can all get in the little chat room, see how everyone's doing, do a little weekly check-in. I don't think this video will be a Friday upload, so yeah, turn on notifications, that way you are notified when there is a new video. I post weekly. Tonight I'm so excited because as I'm filming this, I'm doing my first watch party with my patrons. It's been a long week, so I'm just ready to unwind and chill with all of you guys. We're actually watching Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. One of my favorite movies, honestly, to get into the Halloween spirit. They have so many fall scenes. I just love it so much. But if you want more information, want to join us for next time, just check out my Patreon, link down below. Shout out to my Patreon members for the month of August. I appreciate you guys so much. Shout out to all the members. These members get a special shout out. Thank you so much to Alicia. Thank you Cassandra, Christina, Deborah, Jean, Fantasia, Halloween Variant, Carly, Lauren, Marla, Mickey, Morgan, Prentice, Amy, Rachel, Renee, Thomas, and Zach. Thank you so much, you guys, for supporting my channel at a higher tier. Thanks to you for supporting today's video. I love you guys. I'm really excited. I'm gonna say excited and cute and adorable and spooky. I'm just gonna say it a lot. That's just how it is. I found this little ceramic Tupperware dish. This is not your mom's Tupperware. I feel like that's like a brand name, I think, right? Very dense ceramic bowl with lid. Also has this opening up top, which allows for venting. It says boo, and it has a few jack-o'-lanterns around it. Also, you guys make me laugh so much because, so short story, no, that's right. Short story, no, it's story short. What's the saying? Story short. Short story short, pretty much my point is my brain does not work. If you guys didn't know, I'm originally from Kansas. I'm currently living in Salem, Massachusetts. I don't have like your average Boston accent. You can hear my Kansan accent sometimes when I talk, and there are words that I say differently than most people. I feel like, I don't know, growing up I had like a speech impediment. I feel like I still do. You know, my mom was trying to get me on Hooked on Phonics, trying to take speech classes, and it just didn't work. It didn't work, but it's fine. Someone said, it was so cute. They were like, I've never heard you say jack-o'-lantern the way that you do. So I read the comment and I was like, how do I say it? And I was like, do I say it differently? So I was asking people, like, how do you say it? Jack-o'-lantern. And I think it's because most people say jack-o'-lantern and I say jack-o'-lantern. So funny when you guys notice it, because in my head I feel like it sounds normal. I feel like I'm saying it properly, but I'm not. Another common one is I'll say warsh, and people are like, warsh, what the heck? Because it's so weird for me to say it flat, like to say it wash. Like wash. I feel like I can't say it. Feel free to point out my imperfections and my flaws. It's fine. I thought this was adorable. Definitely can use this for anything. Take your lunch to work, to school. You can put little treats in it, little baking goods. But this is one that I would not loan out because you're not going to get this one back. Found another ceramic dish. It says treat and it has cute little ghosts, little cuties. These are definitely something I will use all throughout the year, every single year of my life. Next item that I have is this adorable candle. I'm obsessed. Bliss Living candle. As you can see, it's in this humongous ceramic jack-o'-lantern. So adorable, and it has a removable top, of course, since it is a candle. It's a 3-wick candle. The fragrance is pumpkin bourbon. I honestly love this just because of how big it is. I like that you can use the ceramic after you're done burning it. I like that it's a 3-wick candle, and it still looks cute when you burn it, you know? And the smell is pretty good. It kind of smells like shea butter. So next item is this adorable, I'm gonna have to stop saying adorable, is this black ceramic candle with these little candy corn, and we have a pumpkin with a little witch hat. This is in the fragrance Midnight Hour. This portion reminds me of like a witch's potion, and there's your candle there. You can hide your little knickknacks in here. And the company that makes this is Loft 97, I think that's how you say it. It smells really good. It honestly smells like sweet tarts, like the little hard candies. Oh, like when you go trick-or-treating and you get those little candies, but you don't want to eat them because you're eating all the really good stuff first, but then you're like down to the bottom of the bag 2 weeks after Halloween, and you're like, I mean, I guess it'll do. And then you put it in your mouth, kind of like that chalky filling, and then your mouth kind of waters, and like a little bitter, a little pucker. It's just, that's what it smells like. All right, so I've said this before, my favorite things, one of my favorite things shopping when it comes to Halloween things, I like party hosting, I like food things, I like serveware. Found these little party picks. These are from Mary Mary. These little cupcake picks, and we have this little green witch. She has her hair, it's like made out of yarn with the little hat. And then we have this adorable jack-o'-lantern, good old skull. We have this little ghosty friend. Here's what they look like. They're so adorable. These ghosts are my favorite because they're like on this, they're printed on this super thin paper. I also really like these witches where they have the hair. I got 3 of them. I may have more in the other bags, which reminds me, stay tuned, subscribe. There's more Halloween hauls coming. They're coming. I know you guys hear me always talking about like my dream Halloween room, dream Halloween bed, and honestly, will the day ever come? I don't know. No, maybe. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep collecting all of the bed things. Currently, I have some, I think it's Charlie Brown Halloween sheets that I have on my bed. I decided to snag these ones. This is a gray set with these orange pumpkins on there. These are from Cynthia Rowley. I did find these at HomeGoods for $20. Size queen. I mean, is it the best threading sheet quality? I mean, starting off, yeah, but Raven sleeps in the bed with us, so you always gotta like wash the sheets and stuff, so the quality kind of wears down. Because we all know that I have way too many mugs, why not add more to the collection? Just add more. Found more Radon, guys. I don't know, I feel like Radon, you guys will see, Radon, she's bringing it. She's bringing it for the Halloween season. No, she's bringing it. I was honestly trying not to grab more of these Radon tumblers because I have like 8 of these that look exactly like the ones that I got, and I kept walking away. And Joe, supportive little guy, says, why don't you get these? And I said, do I need them? Do I? This is a cream one, and it says spooky in purple writing, as you can see, with some bats. I honestly love using these. They're like the perfect size. I love to travel with these, drive around with these. Just comfortable to use. I really love this one. It just says spooky season. Little bats on there, and I just love that it's orange. These also fit most straws, so that's always a plus. I am glad that I got these, especially this one. I just love this one so much. It's so festive. festive. I was on the internet a few weeks ago doing some Halloween research, and I found an article of this person who was bashing spooky season. Like, she was just talking about how much she hated the phrase spooky season. Found these amazing, beautiful ceramic plates. So beautiful. Do I need them? Yes, I do, because I will use these all the time. It's just honestly about enjoying the little things in life, and those things are Halloween things to me, so let me enjoy it. On the box it does say that these are microwavable safe and dishwasher safe. I don't know, I always get scared to put these in the dishwasher. I feel like you can't trust no one. Can't trust anyone. Can't trust anything. Okay, well you can, but you know what I mean. I like little gift bags. Like, I just love them so much. These little cute trick-or-treat bags. This is what I would look like if I were a treat bag. These are from Sheffield Home Paper Goods. If I give you a little gift, you're getting it in a Halloween bag. There is no other option. Through the years of my collecting Halloween decor, I've kind of gotten away from fall decor, autumn decor. I need some more autumn decor just to bring back the coziness, honestly. Cozy pumpkin garlands. I have one right up there because I was just kind of playing with it to see what it looked like. I need a filming set, but I use my office for like 10 million things. These are so cute. These cute little velvet pumpkins. Like, you can see the velvet. Look at how cute these look. Are you joking? Like, super easy way to decorate for fall, for Halloween. You can always add on to these. You can add your own little like bats to these. You can make them more Halloween. You can add some leaves. You can add some little twigs if you want to make it more autumn. There's so many options with stuff like this, and that's what I always try to find, is something that gives me like a good, like a solid foundation, but then I can add my own stuff to it. These are going to be little odds and ends. One thing that I look forward to and that I've always collected for as long as I can remember are Halloween magazines. I love them so much. Like, my favorite thing was just looking through magazines. It makes me so happy and I just love it so much. Also, real quick, since I'm talking about magazines, I definitely want to give a shout out to Spooky Little Halloween. I'm sure you guys know her, Miranda. This is her second year of doing a Halloween magazine, and it is just the cutest thing. I haven't read through it yet, but I'm really excited. But there's like a 31 days of Halloween. She included a lot of other Halloween creators, and they did like all sorts of photo shoots. Like, here's Midge Munster, here's Spooky Melanin Magic, all sorts of people in the Halloween community. She did so good on this, and I just think it's so awesome. Like, it's always been a dream of mine to also do a Halloween magazine. I love seeing people chase their dreams and just doing the damn thing, you know? So go check her out. All right, so these next items I was sent. Java Sock, I don't know, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. They make the cutest little coffee koozies, and they were so kind to send a few my way. This is the pattern of this one, and this size fits like a Starbucks grande size. So kind enough to send me this one, and you have like little hands with blood and eyeballs. So cute. As I mentioned, these are the small ones. Normally I drink the grande sizes from Starbucks. Check them out. Precious Moments, they were so kind to send these porcelain figures my way, and I just wanted to share them with you. So adorable. So this one right here, this one is called I Love Spending Time With You. Look how cute she is. Look at her little bat wings. She has a little headband, her little trick-or-treat bag. My favorite thing is just her little dog down here, and we have some fall leaves. You guys may have seen this one last year. She has on her little candy corn skirt. I just love the glitter so much. She has a cute little candy corn headband. So adorable. This one is called I'll Always Carve Out Time For You. They're so cute, carving out their little pumpkins on their little blanket. Super cute. So precious. And just like the feel of this takes me back to, I had a babysitter, her name was Debbie. She painted a lot of like porcelain figures like this, and I just remember helping her paint. I would always try to paint my own. It always makes me think of her in that memory. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up so I know that you are enjoying these Halloween hauls. What is this hair doing? What are you doing? Oh lordy. Oh my goodness. What is going on? If you guys want more Halloween happy, you can follow me on Instagram. All my social media links are listed down below. I love you guys so much. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. And let me know if you guys already know what you're being for Halloween. What are you dressing up as? I want to read all of the Halloween costume ideas. I can't wait to read everything. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!